If you're looking to travel to Japan this fall, stay tuned to see how you can get your hands on a visitor's visa. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Daniel, TheLandMiler, and today we're going to be taking you through the steps of how you can visit the land of the rising sun on a visitor's visa through an unguided tour. If you're new to the channel, I talk about credit cards, how to fly the world in first and business class, so if that's something you want to learn more about, go ahead and give this video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to stay tuned. Despite many countries in Southeast Asia and East Asia opening up for tourism, Japan has been one of the slowest and the most restrictive when it comes to allowing foreign tourists. However, with some of the recent developments, this is going to change for the better. Previously, only tourists on guided tours were allowed to enter the country. The tour company would help you fill out what's known as an ERFS, or an entrance returnees follow-up system, for you to apply for a tourist visa. As enticing as this might have been for some, the idea of being supervised while roaming the streets of Tokyo or Osaka didn't sound like something I wanted to do. The most recent update is that unguided tours will now be able to operate within Japan starting next week on Wednesday, September the 7th. The fact that unguided tourists are now able to enter Japan means you can roam a little bit more freely under the instructions given to you by your tour company. However, this also paved the way for certain tour companies who are willing to sponsor a personalized custom itinerary. If you're looking to apply for a Japanese tourist visa, the steps are actually quite simple because a lot of the work is actually done by the tour company. First things first, you'll have to find a Japanese tour company with an itinerary that you want to go through. If you want to do something that's more of a personalized custom itinerary, definitely reach out to some of these tour companies by email. Most of the tour companies that I did connect with responded within 24 hours. When the tour company receives your information and payment, they will then go ahead and process the ERFS and then send you that ERFS along with any associated documentation and supporting documents that you need to apply for your visa. Once you receive these, you are pretty much good to go with your visa application. Speaking of visas, and luckily for Canadians and Americans, the consulate had just released a new eVisa portal where you can do your applications and have them approved all online. I'll provide a link to that in the description box below for your reference. The visa submission is also quite straightforward as well. It requires your personal and passport information, a photo of you with a plain background, along with your ERFS and any supporting documents, and you're pretty much good to go. Once you fill out the online form and submit any documents given to you by your Japanese tour company, the Japanese consulate will then process your visa. If you look at the online portal itself, you will see a status bar, which essentially means how far along your visa application has gotten. Once the visa is ready, you will see that status bar change to issued, and from there you can then print out or display your Japanese visa. One thing to note though, make sure you do keep a copy for before you travel, just in case at the boarding gate they do ask for proof that you're able to stay in Japan. As a data point, I did submit my visa application and promptly got my visa issued and approved within 2 working days. However, given that there's going to be a surge in applications, it's probably better if you're looking to fly in the fall to apply, well, literally now. However, besides the fact that we do have to apply for a visa, it does look like Japan is finally opening up in the fall just in time for Christmas holidays. Whether or not Japan will finally be opened up for good and we don't have to apply for a visa is still up in the air, but the change happening in September 7th is definitely a big step in the right direction. So, what do you guys think about this new unguided tour exception? Will you be looking at snatching up a Japanese tourist visa to travel in the fall? Or will you be holding off until Japan finally opens up and we don't have to go through a visa application? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions about the topic we talked about today, or if you have any travel questions in general, leave a comment in the description box below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, if you're enjoying my content and would like to support the channel, give this video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for even more travel hacking content. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.